Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unboxing Redmi Note 13. This one is new release from Xiaomi. You can see this one is graphite black version, 5G version, 256GB ROM, 8GB RAM. Let's open this one. Let's see what inside. We got one SIM ejector, some user manuals, user guide. It is very nice back cover. Here is the device. Let's see what else inside the box. We got one 33-watt power bricks, original power bricks from Xiaomi. And one charging cable, USB-C. You can see it's very nice, very nice finishing. (108 megapixel triple camera). In this side we got one volume up and down key, and this one is power button, and other side is only SIM ejector. Let's see how the SIM tray is. We can use two SIM card or one SIM card and one micro SD. Very typical SIM tray. Very nice finish, and we got one use 3.5 mm audio port. The down is USB-C port, and this one is speaker. Let's put on this cover and see how it is. Just look how premium it looks now with back cover, and this one also cover the charging port. It will protect from dust. Let's turn this one on. Actually this one is 5G perform, and this display is 120 Hz FHD plus AMOLED display. And Xiaomi also told this one speaker is very powerful. We can also test the sound. MIUI 14. The OS version is MIUI 14. And we are all selecting language English. I have agree. It's looking for SIM card, but I'm going to skip this one. and it's asking for to connect to network. Let me connect with network so it will be easy. It's asking for copying data, but I say don't copy. Now we can connect to our Gmail if we want to connect, or we can create account, but for now I'm going to skip this part because I don't want to connect for now. Maybe I will connect later. For using Google services, I have to accept the terms and conditions. Here is option to select search engine. I am going to select Google. Here is the screen lock options. We can select face unlock or fingerprint or only screen lock. I'm going to select only screen lock with pattern. Got it. I'm going to skip this one also. I'm going to select less classic version, the launcher. Now system is preparing everything for user. Setup complete, so I go next. Here we can see the launcher. It looks really very nice. Let's check the camera. You can see some features. It's also available AI camera, macro camera. Let's see macro camera, how good it is. Let's check the zoom. Only 2x. Oh no. Up to 10x optical zoom. Night mode and more. Let's check the selfie camera. Let's check the image quality. looks really good, you can see. Thank you for watching.